All right, so this is one of my favorite features of the theme, and I was told it was impossible to do, but we made it happen. You can now have a pop-up coupon on your site without using an app. It's fully customizable. You can collect email leads and give out a coupon at the same time. So what you're doing is you're getting more sales and you're collecting email leads for future sales. It is very easy to customize this, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. When you go to your theme backend, right, go to General Settings and then go to Coupon. Very easy to do. We're going to start at the top. You can change the background color, right? So whatever you want, any color you want. You can change the coupon background color in the center here. Very easy to do. You can change the font to whatever you want. Once again, so simple. So that's the header font, and then we've got the body font, which is the ones down here. Now we haven't added this feature yet, but we are going to be adding a feature that you can customize the size of these fonts as well. We haven't added that yet. I've told the developer to get that done. So by the time this theme is out to you, you'll be able to edit the size of these fonts as well. Next, you can do email, enable the coupon pop-up. So you can have it on if you want, or you can have it off, up to you. So we're obviously going to enable it, and I'll save it just so we can get it popping up again for us. Hopefully it does. Give it a few seconds. All right, so it's popped up again. The next setting is enable sticky button. I will save this, and this is a pretty cool little feature as well. What this will do is it shows up a little thing here, get coupon, on the bottom right, and then it will pop up. So it's a little bit more enticing. You can just have it down here if you want. I prefer to actually disable it on some of my stores, but it is quite good to have this if it's just an option there. We just threw this in there as an option for you guys to work with if you want. Now we've also got enable exit intent. If you don't know what this is, it means when someone tries to leave your website, it will pop up instead of it being on a timer. This is a setting that I use. I'll show you why this is popping up so much in a second. This is a setting I use. So enable exit intent is what I use. So you can enable that. But we'll just go through a few more settings first. Session time. This means how many seconds before someone on your site gets showed the coupon again. So let's say if they come back to your site the next day, do you want them to see it again or not? So did you notice how it was popping up lots? That's because I have it set to 5 seconds. If I set this to like 6,000 seconds, 7,000 seconds, it won't pop up again once they close it for another 6,000 seconds or 7,000 seconds. So for this video, I'm just going to keep it at 5 because we're going to need, if I set it to 6,000 seconds now, it's not going to show again for me until I clean my cookies or 6,000 seconds is up. Pop-up time. How many seconds before the pop-up shows up when someone goes to your website? Now, if you want to do enable exit intent, this is very easy to do. So the average person will probably stay on your website for between, a few seconds to maybe 4, 5, 6, 10 minutes, really just depending. So what you would do is just set this to like 200, 300 minutes, this pop-up time here, and then click enable exit intent. I'll show you what I mean. So let's just do 200 seconds here and enable exit intent. We'll save it. And we will see what happens. So when I go to exit out of this page, it should pop up just like that. So I took the mouse up to the exit and it popped up for me. And then when I, let's say I set my cookie time to 1,000. When I close this, then it should disappear for 1,000 seconds before that person sees it again. Now, you can also you can change anything you want. Change the heading color. Like this is really customizable. That was the point of this. I wanted to make it so I could do whatever I want, really. I want to do whatever I want with my own theme. Like, why be limited? It doesn't make sense. Why should I be limited when I want to do whatever I want? So I'm just going to save that. Actually, I just changed some text. I just want to get a nicer text. I don't really like that one. So make sure you always click save, okay? Just to make sure that the settings actually work. I'll just get this pop-up to come up again. And you can change this into your email below. We'll just put, hey, enter your email now. right? Let's save it. And it should come up into your email now. And like I said, we'll be adding the features to customize the size of this text, just like that. Now, the button is fully customizable. We can do unlock now, which is what I do. Or you could change it to subscribe, subscribe to newsletter, whatever you want. That's what another feature that we wanted to do with this here. And you can change the color of everything. This is where you put your discount code. We're going to put super sale, and then go on, unlock the sweet deal. You can change it as well. Once again, we'll be changing the size. Now, when someone signs up to the put the email in, what happens is it will go to your Shopify customer list, and then it will automatically integrate with your autoresponders if you have them set up. So you don't have to do anything. Your email will go to your Shopify customer list, and then if you have your autoresponders integrated into your customer list, which most of you should have, then it will go to your email list, just like that. Or if you want to do MailChimp, straight to MailChimp, you can use the action URL here as well. Super easy to do. Like, it's really super easy. And now I'm going to show you the coupon, how it works. I'll show you exactly what happens when someone puts the email in, okay? I've just changed the seconds so it can pop up for us real quick. And this is what happens. I'm just going to put Franklin. I'll put my own email in there. I'll click unlock now. And it says super sale. It's refreshed the page. We're actually adding a feature so it doesn't just refresh the page. It will actually just refresh this. It will just unlock this. So that hasn't been added yet. But once we add that, the page won't actually refresh. It will just unlock the coupon code, which will make it a lot easier, because sometimes when it refreshes, it can cause your customers to leave the site. So we're going to be changing that. So once you go to unlock now, it will come up with the coupon. And what's happened is you've just collected an email and you've offered them a coupon. So you've given them a coupon in exchange for the email. It's absolutely, this is a monster, because this is how we generate leads. We offer something for free. So I've offered the coupon for free, and we've just collected their email that we can then use for future advertising. So this is absolutely amazing. I highly recommend you definitely activate this. We've used this to make huge profits on our stores, fully customizable. And that's what I love about this. I wanted a fully customizable coupon theme. And if you've got any questions, if you want us to add more things, just ask. I'm going to be completely developing this constantly. If you have a request you want, if you have something you'd like added, just ask in our Facebook group, and I will reply to you and tell you if we can do it or not, and when we're going to do it, if we are going to do it. So that's the coupon. Very easy to do. Just go to General Settings, Coupon, and you're all there. Everything's there for you to do. Just remember that the session times, okay? This is quite important, because some people might not understand this. If you don't want it to consistently pop up for your visitors, make sure you set a high time. So at least like over 5 minutes. So, you want to put you calculate 60 seconds times 5, and you put that in there. Okay? That's very important, because you don't want to annoy your customers with a pop-up that's consistently popping up while they're trying to exit out of it.